Minimalism thrives on simplicity, but black brings an unexpected depth to it. A modern minimalist black house is not just about aesthetics, it's about presence. The bold, dark exterior creates a striking contrast against its natural surroundings, whether in an urban setting or nestled in nature. This is a home that speaks in whispers yet demands attention, offering a serene yet powerful living experience. The first impression of a minimalist black home is its commanding facade. Matte black concrete, dark timber, or sleek metal panels create a bold yet inviting structure. The absence of excessive ornamentation allows the materials to shine, showcasing their textures and subtle variations. This is where function meets form, where the simplicity of design enhances the beauty of raw materials. Modern minimalism embraces open spaces, and a black house does it with finesse. Expansive glass walls, sliding doors, and hidden boundaries allow natural light to flood the interiors, preventing the dark palette from feeling heavy. The transition between the interior and exterior is seamless, with nature playing an active role in the home's ambience. Step inside, and the essence of modern minimalism unfolds. The layout is intentional, free from unnecessary divisions, creating a fluid connection between the living room, dining area, and kitchen. A monochromatic palette dominates, softened by warm wooden textures, smooth stone surfaces, and curated furnishings. This is a space where every element has purpose and harmony. The heart of the home is the living room, where comfort meets sophistication. A charcoal-toned sofa, minimalist shelving, and ambient lighting define the space. The absence of clutter allows architectural details to shine, from a polished concrete wall to a custom-built black entertainment console. This is not just a place to sit, it's a place to experience modern living at its finest. The kitchen is a masterpiece of precision and elegance. Black cabinetry with a matte finish conceals appliances, while sleek black stone countertops add a touch of drama. The island becomes a focal point, both a workspace and a social hub. Soft lighting enhances the textures, creating an atmosphere that feels intimate yet strikingly modern. Minimalism is often mistaken for coldness, but here, warmth is woven into every detail. The dining table, crafted from black stained wood, sits beneath a sculptural pendant light. The chairs are a mix of textures, smooth leather, woven fabric, or molded wood, adding layers to the otherwise monochrome space. Dining here is not just a meal, it's an experience. A minimalist black bedroom is an oasis of tranquility. Soft charcoal linens, a low-profile bed, and textured black walls create a cocoon-like retreat. Here, the absence of distractions fosters deep relaxation. Carefully placed lighting, whether hidden LED strips or statement pendants, adds warmth, ensuring the space feels cozy rather than overwhelming. A bathroom in a black minimalist home is an experience in itself. Dark stone surfaces, seamless black fixtures, and frameless glass showers create a spa-like environment. Water and light interact beautifully against the dark palette, turning everyday rituals into moments of luxury. This is a space where simplicity becomes indulgence. A black minimalist home doesn't just stop at its walls. The outdoor areas extend the design philosophy. Dark wooden decks, sleek stone pathways, and minimalist black furniture create an elegant contrast with lush greenery. Whether it's a small courtyard or a sprawling backyard, the balance between architecture and nature is beautifully preserved. Lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the mood of a black minimalist home. Recessed fixtures, hidden LED strips, and sculptural lamps transform the dark interiors into an ever-changing landscape of shadows and highlights. At night, the home glows subtly, proving that darkness can be as inviting as it is dramatic. While the home's color is bold, its sustainability is subtle. Materials are chosen for durability. Blackened steel, treated wood, and natural stone age gracefully. Large openings reduce the need for artificial lighting, while passive cooling techniques enhance comfort. This home is not just a visual statement. It's a thoughtfully designed, efficient space built for the future. A modern minimalist black house is more than just a trend. It's a statement of sophistication, functionality, and intentional design. It rejects excess, embraces contrast, and creates a living environment that is both bold and peaceful. In a world full of distractions, this home stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, proving that black is not just a color, it's a lifestyle.